stunting. Yay! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you are in my bathroom and I'm gonna share with you guys how I style my tapered cut. A couple of people have asked me about my tapered cut, where I did it, how I style it, how the maintenance is. So I'm gonna share that information with you guys today. My lips are dry. So I'm gonna moisturize with shea butter from Afrika. This is also the shea butter that I use to lock moisture into my hair. So let's get it because no one likes dry lips. No one. So first things first, where did I get my hair cut? I got my hair cut at Oz VIP Barber. I think that's what it's called. So the guy's name is Oz, or Oz. I'm not sure how it's said properly. So I'll link like his social media stuff down below so that you guys can check him out. It cost me 150 pula to get this tapered cut. That's about like 170 rand. That is about 15 US dollars. Pounds-ish, guys. The math is just too much. I don't know. Maybe 20 pounds. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay. So it cost me 150 to get this taper cut, and I want to show you guys how I style it, how I've been styling it, the products that I've been using to style it. Cause yeah, I feel like the people want to know how I style my hair. So is there any information that I have left out? How much it cost me? Oh, okay. So when I went to the barber, guys, I went with my hair stretched. You can either blow dry your hair or do like the African thread thing with wool where you stretch it out that way. And he didn't wash my hair at all before or after. Like I'm saying, I went with it stretched. After he gave me the cut, he just brushed off the hair that he had cut, like the little hairs and stuff. He just brushed that off, and then he used a sponge like this one to kind of give me like a bit of definition, like to kind of style my hair, but it wasn't like a serious styling, you know, just to give me a little, because I couldn't just walk out his barber shop looking anyhow, you know. It's this brand on the line. This is my brand on the line. So let's get into the video, guys, and I'll show you the products that I have been finding awesome in terms of styling my hair. All right, let's get into it. So first I'm gonna start with the long part. I'm not gonna be styling my whole head, guys. I'm just gonna do like a tiny section for you guys to see how I style. When I say I do a twist out, what that means. I don't want to assume that everyone knows what a twist out is, and I'll also show you the size, like how I achieve this look using the brush that I just showed you guys a few minutes ago, and the tools that I use as well. You don't have to use the same tools that I use, but this is what I use, and I'll try to remember where I got everything. The products that I use, guys, are pretty affordable. I'm really not trying to be out here buying products for like 200 pula. I'm not that girl, but you know, people change their minds. It's allowed. So I might try out other products if I really get into the vibe of my hair and finances allow it. So I'm gonna start with this front part. So I'm just gonna take a section, and I've been using like the lock method. Yeah, I think I've been using the lock method and adding a butter at the end. Shout out to Nahunguli on Janga for putting me on that. So okay, so liquid, I just use typical spray bottle for a natural hair person. I use the spray bottle, so I'll just spritz, get the hair wet so that it's more manageable. Guys, don't comb your hair when it's dry. That's why I lorry, hey, how can I come up with clog? Because you're combing it dry. If it's wet, it's a lot easier to manage and to deal with, and it's not painful. So as you guys can see, I wet my hair, and next, guys, this thing, This product is so amazing, guys. Let me put it like this so you guys can see. By Afrobotanics. Zoom. Afrobotanics, my own kind of beautiful. It's backwards for me, so please. Gwamile. Who is this? Learn more about Queen Gwamile. I don't know who you are, but I thank God for you. For you inspiring this. It's kind of like a leave-in conditioner, but very thick. So, guys, it makes the curls pop.
Several months later.
Pop. Makes them pop. So I'm gonna show you the consistency. Look at that. That's the consistency. So that's what it looks like. Focus. So that's what it looks like. That's the consistency. I feel like such a beauty blogger, guys. What? Okay, let me calm down. They don't do that. So, okay, I take the strand that I moisturized and then I apply plus minus, you know what I mean? It's really up to you how much product you want to put in your hair. But, guys, I don't know. This definition. There's no product that I've ever used that has given me this much definition in terms of like my curls popping. So then I use this brush after I put in the leave-in. Guys, I mean, are you beholding? Are you beholding that? What? Madness. Mad. So okay, so then after I put the cream or my leave-in, I just brush it out so that my twist out can come out like neat. Boom. All right, so I put the leave-in and then I switch out the oil and the cream sometimes. So I'm just using a little mixed thing. It's like argan, black Jamaican castor oil, argan oil, coconut oil, concoction of sorts. So I put that after, and then I use shea butter to just, you know, while I'm showing, lock in the moisture as well. So I'm just gonna do this. Obviously, like, I don't usually do sections this tiny. This is just for the purpose of showing you guys what I do with my hair. So then I just do two strand twist is what they call it. Just twisty, hella twisty. It's simple. So 2 strand twist all the way down, yada yada yada, and then I just curl it like this to really like get the butter and the oil and stuff into the bottom of the strand. Do your curls even? Do they even? Do they even? They don't. I'm joking. They will. They will with this stuff, guys. I am promising you. And this I got from Clicks, and it was like, I think it was like 50 pula, like $5, which for me is okay in terms of like product. I do not go above 100 pula. Like even 100 pula is a lot for me. Call me what you want, I'm frugal. The main oil that I used for this, I think, is like 30-40 pula, from the Auntie Jackie line. Yes, and I added coconut oil to that oil to make this concoction. And then the Afrika, guys, the packaging is amazeballs. Like, it's so professionally done. This is owned by this is a Botswana owned business, by the way. I look crazy with this one twist, but it's fine. This is owned by a Botswana. It is sourced from Ghana, and then it's packaged in Botswana. So this bomb packaging is done here in Botswana. The brand is called Afrika. So I'll link information to the page and stuff down below. I've really been enjoying this, even for the skin, guys. It's amazing. Like, you should have seen the owner. Her skin looked like butter. Like, it was ridiculous, guys. So this is what I've been using to seal since I got my hair cut like this, and I'm using it for my skin as well. I've been using it mainly for my face. I haven't used it on my whole body, just on the décolletage area, just for that glow, you know, for that glow. Glow, Tina Sia glow. So yes, that's what I do for basically like this whole section here, like the longer section, the longer parts, whatever I can twist, I twist. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this curly situation. I hope you guys can see it because I can't. That situation using this here sponge. Now there's a lot of controversy around these sponges. You get the expensive ones and you get the more affordable ones, the frugal people ones. So I got this one from, where did I get it? I got it from Jewellery Box at Rail Park, the one by Spa, that one. I got it for 56 spooler. That's like $5, 6 cents, or whatever you guys say, 60, whatever. So I got it for 56 spooler from Jewellery Box. You can get other ones which are more expensive, and I think the difference is that one lasts longer than the other. I think that's what they say. That's what my barber said. He's gonna stock and his will be, I think, 200 pula. And I was just like, almost four times the cost, please. And I'll see for myself, guys. Obviously I'll see for myself if this was worth it, see how long it lasts for me, and if I'm happy with it, I'm gonna stick to this. If it perishes quickly, then I'll invest in the more costly one, to see if it can stretch longer than this one does. I'm chatting too much. I'm gonna show you guys the size, but first I have to comb it out. So this brush to just comb it out for the purpose of this video. Let's make you face this way. Right, I'm gonna just brush it out. You can see there's a bit of definition there. I hope it's focusing, guys. So I'm gonna just brush it out. I'm doing what I said you guys shouldn't do. So I'm gonna spritz so that I don't hurt myself. Alright, I'm just gonna comb it out. Actually, it looks really cute combed out like this. Guys, so what I did was I used some of this curl activator, and it does, guys, it does what it says. So I used the curl activator, I applied it so that I'm also moisturizing the hair, but I don't put in too much, because if you put in too much product, yeah, it's not a good look. So then I sprayed some water, and the first time I used this sponge, I was just going ham. I was pressing hard against my scalp, and I wasn't getting any results whatsoever. So today when I tried it out, I did it more gently, and voila. Say it again, voila. So I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see, my hair is just fluffy, not much like definition. So I'm gonna show you guys. Basically, you guys can see that it's got some definition now. I hope you can see from that flat. I think this one is a bit too long because I've been trying to do it. Okay, I'm getting somewhere with it. You see that? But I will split it apart. It still gives me some definition there. So basically I'll do this all around back of my head, this side, come through. And this saves me a lot of time, guys. Before I got the sponge, I was doing finger coils. I was doing finger coils, guys, which also like chows a bit more time. Like this is faster than doing finger coils, but it still works. Like I'll do the finger coils while I'm in the shower. I'd put some gel when I was doing the finger coils to kind of help it get there. So this is quicker. You can use less product. You can even just spray your hair with water. You don't have to use the gel activator, and just, yeah. So this is what I would do basically before I got the sponge. I just take a bit of hair and I would use gel, but I don't want to use gel now, so just twist it like that. Just twist it to get that kind of effect. And then I would, once it's dried, I would split them apart so that it has a more evened out curl look, if that makes sense. Yeah. So yeah, so then once this part fully dries, then I'll take the twists out. So basically I'll show you, even though this one isn't dry, I'm just gonna show you for the purpose of the video. So I would put oil on my hands, separate it, right? And then already, like, it's so bouncy and it's not even completely dry. That just shows that these products work for my hair, and hopefully they work for your hair as well. So I would split them, and then I would find an easy, like, no tugging position to pull them apart again, just to create volume in my hair. Just to create the volume. This actually works because curls were dead in the front. And that's what matters. That's the part that matters. So then after I undo my whole head of hair, I would pick my hair. Basically pick it with an Afro comb. And what picking is, let me just, for the sake of showing you guys so you get what I mean, to pick is just to fluff the hair out. So even with this comb, just to elongate it, pull it from the root, just tug it a bit, not like hectic, to give you like volume. You know what I mean? To just give you some volume, make it big, because I like the hair poofy so that it looks fuller, like it has that fuller effect type of look. So that's basically it. And the day that I style, I'll do all this, and then the next morning I'll basically just take my water bottle, just to wake the hair up, you know what I mean? Because when I wake up, guys, it looks dead. So I'll also spritz the sides and kind of just like massage them. And now that I have the sponge, I can literally do the sides, like freshen them up every day, just quickly. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you use any of these products, if you've tried them before, if you would try them, and what products do you guys use? Yes, please guys, to make the curls pop and to keep your hair hydrated. Comment down below, let your sister know what's good, and also comment on local products, Botswana owned, or yeah, Botswana owned companies. Wow. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're feeling my vibe. I don't know what that's about, but subscribe if you're feeling my vibe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I told you guys, this haircut is gonna have me out here stunting. Yay! My niece likes doing this dance. So now I'm a beauty vlogger. That's really good. Instagram, YouTube. Yeah, it's the haircut, guys. It's the haircut. See you guys in the next one. Bye.